Figma Weave just dropped Timeline and I already built a full AI scene with it. It has custom timing, layered audio and shot-by-shot sequencing, all without ever having to leave your workflow. And at the end of the video, I'll also show you a detailed example of a fully built-out timeline. My name is Ken and I'm a Figma Weave community member, and today I want to walk you through Timeline. It is a brand new feature inside the already existing Compositor node that lets you take your raw AI clips into something you can actually edit. If the Compositor node is new to you, or you want to see the entire workflow in depth, we'll make sure to put some links in the video description down below. As you can see, I've already generated a bunch of shots of our character. I've turned those shots into videos, and what I've done is I've also added some audio layers. So I've got some background music and the voiceover, and I've also generated an overlay with the Compositor node that serves as an image that we have all dragged into our Compositor node. So what I can do now is I can edit the Compositor node and see a full overview of our timeline as well. On the left hand side, we can see we've got a bunch of audio layers, we've got an image, and we've got a bunch of videos. Now what I can do is I can drag and move stuff around in the layer section here on the left hand side. I can see that I've got blue layers, which are audio layers. I can see we have got our image, which serves as an overlay, and I've got all our different videos. Now, if I want to adjust the timing of when a specific layer starts, I can move it from left to right on the timeline and basically adjust the timing there. If there's a specific video shot that I think is too lengthy or too short, I can grab it by the end of it and then drag it to the left hand side to make it shorter, or I can drag it to the right hand side to make it longer. I can also do that for the beginning of the shot, so I can really dial in to the section of that shot that I would like to use for my final video. On the left hand side, I can also see 3 different icons for different layers. So let's say I've generated a video that came with audio as well. I can then mute that audio by simply clicking on the speaker icon. If I go to the overlay and I want to hide it, I can of course click on the eye icon and it will hide it. And in this instance, I know that my audio layers are set up perfectly, so I don't have to edit them again. I can then also choose to click on the lock icon to lock them into place and not accidentally edit them later on when I get back to the timeline. So let's exit out for now. And one cool thing to also mention is you can edit, of course, in your Compositor node, but you can also make changes in your workflow, which will also automatically update the results in your timeline. And what I mean by that is that here you can see this is my first shot that we can see here in the timeline. But when I click on the second video of this specific node, we can see that it also automatically updates the results in the timeline. So keep that in mind, is that we can edit in our workflow and we can also edit in the Compositor node. Now what I've done is I have taken this node, or let's say all the different video nodes that we have here, and I clicked on the 3 dots and then unpacked this node because I want to use every single video in that node and then drag it into the Compositor node. And this is a new feature that has been added as well. So I've done this before the recording and have basically unpacked all the different nodes that we already had, the video nodes, and it's basically coming with a medium shot and a close-up shot for every single node. So this basically allows us to really mix and match a video that we're editing in the timeline. So again, we can see here with the colors, we have got all the videos, we have got 2 audio layers, and of course the overlay again. So when I go to edit them, I can see here, I've mixed around all the different layers. So we mixed up some close-up shots and some wide shots. I've added the audio layers and then also the overlay, and I've adjusted the timeline, or I mean the timing of a specific shot, and really tried to dial into getting specific sections of a shot that I like. And then when we are going to play this, we can see that this is our video.
Could become a whole scene. 6 shots, 1 workflow. Every frame generated, sequenced and timed.
So we can see that we have got our audio, we've got an overlay, and we have been able to edit all our individual video layers as well. If you've liked this video, make sure to Also like the video, subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos as well. And if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see next, make sure to comment down below what you would like to see, and we will make sure to turn those things into a video as well. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.